Most of us will see a teenager during the holidays and will be tempted to ask them the famous question, what do you want to be when you grow up? And I don't know if that's the right question we should be asking, because if you put yourself in their shoes for a minute, how should they really answer that? Are they going to give you a job title? Maybe one job title that they should have for the rest of their lives? Probably not. If you really want to engage a teen, ask them a different question. Ask them about their favorite show on Netflix or on YouTube. Ask them about the app that they use most often on their phone. Ask them about their favorite movie or their favorite song. These things will reveal amazing clues about who they are. And you may not get the right question right away, but keep going lightly. You'll know you're there when you watch them come alive. That's when you listen deeply. That's when you listen for their values, their experience, their beliefs, their opinions, their interests, their skills. Wait, you don't think it's possible to have a teen come alive like that? To have them open up? Think again. This week I had my longest career coaching conversation with a teen ever, 1 hour and 45 minutes. It was awesome. And when you listen to someone in the right way, they will open up their hearts to you. And once you know what's in their heart, then you can make the connections that you want to make with college majors, the world of work, not job titles, but challenges to solve. I'm telling you, this approach is way more fun than pretending that a teen's going to pick one job title that they'll have for the rest of their lives. If you want to know more, you can read my ebook called The 5 Career Conversations. It's designed for parents, and I think you'll enjoy learning about a different way to engage teens on this topic and a new approach to preparing them for success. I hope you enjoy it. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Let me know what you think about the ebook, and I'll see you in 2020. Bye.